Wel, o'r penwythnos yma yn tynnu merched ifanc ar hyd a lled Cymru lawr i Gaerdydd am benwythnos y Genhadledd i drafod pob elfen o faes chwaraeon a'i bod nhw'n yn gadael yma wedi ymbyweru ac i ysbrydoli ac yn teimlo'n gryfach o hi yn ei hunan am ddyfodol llywyrchus yn y byd chwaraeon.
Mae'n hanfodol. Wedys i o flaen pawb yn mynd, mae fe'n i fi, mae fe'n hanesyddol a mae fe'n trobwynt i sicrhau bod dyfodol disglair i merched o fewn chwaraeon a dim jyst o ran chwarae, mewn pob rolau. Mae'n mor bwysig bod ni'n cael y cyfleoedd i cwrdd, rannu profiadau, rannu arferion da, ond bod llwyth o pobl sydd wedi siarad yn wyladwy. A fi'n edrych ymlaen i gweld sut mae gobeithio datblygiadau yn digwydd o fan hyn. Wel, spel yn ôl, so mae fi'n mynd nôl yn y cof, ond oedd dal cyfleoedd o fewn chwaraeon, ond i fi o ran pêl-droed, oedd rhaid fi chwarae gyda'r bechgyn. Doedd dim digon o ferched yn chwarae i cael tîm unigol o ferched. So oedd rhaid fi chwilio wedyn a teithio lot o bellach i ffeindio clwb oedd gyda mwy nag un ferch. Mae yna lot fwy o gyfleoedd nawr o ran chwarae, o ran hyfforddi, dyfarnu a tu allan i'r camp hefyd. Ond hefyd mae yna llwyth fwy o bys ni'n gweud campau ar y teledu sydd yn ddywedi o'r blaen y gair yna o ran wyladau mor bwysig i sicrhau bod modelau rôl yn gryf.
I think it's incredibly important. I think one of the biggest things for any female in sport is being able to see the role models, that visibility. So for me, the guest speakers, but even peer-to-peer, the girls being together, spending time with each other, sharing those stories, it's an incredible part of inspiring them, a big part of their journey, so incredibly important. I think the days like today mean it's more than just a hashtag. I think, days like this happening repeatedly. I think the way we support each other, for me, the audience, the girls who are here today, seeing them at games, building that connection, really building that visibility at football matches in these environments will continue that strength of that relationship.
I think it's amazing the fact that, I feel like women can get empowered from so many different things again, from me as a sport perspective. And I just feel like it's something that you come together, you can learn so much from different people, and it's just everyone bounces off each other. Today was such a lovely vibe today. I just think that the girls today had such an amazing questions. They'd really thought about it, and it was very mature age group, and I just think that people are now, it's not just the same old questions, they're really thinking deep into and delving into what the questions need to be, what they actually want to get out from me as well. It's a long time ago that when I did a question like Q&As and talks, it was very different questions for what it is today. So I feel like, the girls have really opened up today and just been honest with what they've wanted to hear from me. It's really important for all women to have amazing conferences like today. I think it's really amazing that what inspires me, obviously my information and my knowledge can go to them, but what helps them take that forward, if there's anything, that one little thing that they'll take away from my talk today and my Q&A for their lives, to implicate that, in the future for them, then this is what it's all about.
Mor bwysig oedd yn cyfle arbennig o dda I fod yn rhan o hyn. Oedd fi'n tym bach yn embarrassed oedd fi ddim wedi cael cyfle fel un pan oedd fi'n menywod ifanc. Dwi'n meddwl bod yn ffantastig a gobeithio bydde fe'n mynd ymlaen am blynyddoedd arall. Mae pawb yn wastad yn gweud, if you can see it, you can be it. Mae hwnna'n really bwysig a dwi'n meddwl gwneud pethau fel un yn dangos i'r ferched ti yn gallu adnabod rhywun sydd wedi bod yn chwarae neu wedi gwneud rhywbeth ti gyd yn eisiau wneud yn y dyfodol. I fi, yn rhywun sydd wedi bod yn rhan o I nhw, mae ni, ni wastad yn edrych am y bigger picture, am be ni'n neud a pa rheswm ni'n neud yn chwarae I Gymru. Yn ôl yn pen ni yn gwybod be ni'n gwneud am y merch sy'n mynd I chwarae I Gymru yn y dyfodol. Trio wneud y pethau nawr sydd wedyn pan mae hi'n dod mewn, bydde fe mewn sefyllfa anhygoel o dda. So ni wastad yn trio creu cymdeithas sy'n edrych ar hanes ni ond edrych at y dyfodol ni hefyd.